In this video, we are going to look at how you can make money through Binance P2P trading. Let's get right into it. P2P is peer-to-peer, which means that the trading is happening between two parties, the person buying and the person selling. So if you go to Binance and you're trying to buy crypto through P2P, it means that someone on Binance P2P trading platform has crypto and is selling through the P2P dashboard. So if you already have crypto and you want to sell through P2P, you go onto the P2P session and you create an order for someone to buy from you. We're going to get more into that later in this video. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what P2P is all about. Now, for you to be able to access the Binance P2P dashboard, you need a Binance account. So if you don't have one, you should go ahead and create one for yourself. On Binance, you should check if your account is verified. If it's not, you should go ahead and then verify your account. So after verification and everything, over here in the search box, just search for P2P and then tap on that. As you can see, this is the P2P session of Binance, all right? If you come on here, you can buy crypto from people, and if you have crypto, you can also sell to people right from this session. Realize that a lot of people have listed their own orders here, waiting for people to buy. So if you want to buy USDT, you can just tap on any of these and then you put in the amount that you want to buy. This means that this person already have USDT in their account worth this amount of money they are willing to sell, and they've listed it here. So immediately you go ahead and you make payment, and it's confirmed that crypto is going to move from their account into your account. That is for someone who's looking to buy crypto, and it's pretty simple. And right from the first session here, you can choose whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. So right now we are logged in on USDT. If we tap on BTC, you realize that the market will switch, and then now you have people who are buying Bitcoin. You can switch through to USDC as well, and then you can switch through to FDUSD, as well as all the other currencies that's listed here, right? But now let's go back to USDT. Now over here, if you switch to the sell session, you realize that the people who have listed their orders here to sell, it means that these people are looking to buy from you, the person who is coming here to sell. If you see this sell button, it means that you have crypto right now and you are willing to sell for cash. So if you go through this process, if you have crypto in your account, it's going to be moved from your account into these people's account, and then they are going to send you real money or physical cash, or let me say mobile money. Now let's look at how you can make money through Binance P2P trading. Let's take, for example, this person who has this sell order here at 16.02. It means that if someone comes in here and then sell crypto worth 1,000 Ghana cedis to them, right? They are now selling to them at 16.02. Let's divide this by 16.02. Okay, it means that they are getting 62.42 USDT into their account. Okay, now if these people go back and then they go and list this buy for, let's say, 16.06. okay, so let's multiply this by 16.06. okay, they sell this, the same crypto, and then they make 2.4 Ghana cedi profit on this. So they came to the market with 1,000 Ghana cedis, and on their first order they've made 2 cedi 40 pesos. I know this doesn't look like a lot of money, okay, and that is because at this moment the market is really tight. On days where the market is a bit wide, you may make a lot of money. Okay, now this is just for one order. This person is able to do 10 times in a day. This person is making 24 Ghana cedis. Okay, now if they do this for the next 30 days, they make 735 Ghana cedis on 1,000 Ghana cedi capital. All right, so if, let's say, for example, this person moves a little bit up in terms of capital and then put in about 5,000 Ghana cedis, right, and then divide this by 16.02, this person is getting this amount of USDT. On 5,000 Ghana cedis, they are making 12 Ghana cedis per single order. Now if they take that 12 cedis and multiply by 10 orders, they are making 120 Ghana cedis. All right, now if this is your full-time job, you may be able to do this for about maybe 15 orders or 20 orders in a day, but let's just keep it at 10 orders a day. So to paint you a picture, if this person entered the market with 5,000 Ghana cedis and decided to do this particular business, for the rest of the year, and they are making 2,400 cedis every single month. For the year, which is 12 months, they are making 28,800, and their capital is still logged in at 5,000. All right. So if someone decides to even just go by compounding and compound every single month, they will be able to make a whole lot of money, because let's say for about 3, 4, 5 months, your capital could grow all the way to about maybe 15,000. So if you're out there looking to get into this type of business, of course, you should do further research. You should learn more about this, but you shouldn't demotivate yourself because the beginning is hard, or because the profit you are getting now on your 100 Ghana cedis seems a little bit small. Now, for you to be able to get to this status, you have to create a Binance P2P merchant account. And that's what we're about to get into. Normally, when you create a Binance account and you access the P2P session, you are ideally accessing it to just buy crypto or sell crypto. All right. So you are not allowed to list any order on there. Now, for you to be able to list your own orders for people to buy from you, you need to switch your mode. All right. Now, to be able to do that, you see these 3 dots over here. You tap on that. Okay. And then it asks you to switch to advertisement mode, right? When you tap on confirm, it's going to switch your account into a new mode where you'll be able to see ads over here, right? Now, this ads is your own personal ads, okay? So you can now click on the plus button at the top here, and then you go through this process to post your own ad, which will now be listed on the buy session or the sell session. So you choose if this is a buy order, you choose I want to buy. If this is a sell order, you tap on I want to sell. All right. So if you want to buy, you tap on here, and then you choose the asset. If it's USDT, Bitcoin, you select on there, and then also the currency you are using. So in Ghana, we're just choosing Ghana cedis, but you can choose NGN, UGS, KES, ZAR. So all of them are listed over there, right? And then over here, you just choose how much you are willing to buy. So down here is saying that the highest ad price on the market, that's the price on the market now, the highest people are willing to buy is 16.82 Ghana cedis. So if you also want to list your own, you could list higher than that or lower than that. If you choose anything higher than what is listed right now, it may happen that your ad will go really down, because normally it's filtered to show the least price first when people are looking to buy crypto. All right. So if you want to sell quicker, it's best that you look at what is currently listed and then list your price around that. So as we saw 16.06 02, we could now put 16.04, maybe 05, right? And that will be easier. Okay. As we tap next, you realize that it's telling us we cannot post any ads now. That is because I'm not active on here. I don't use this often, so I've lost my powers. All right. So let's just click on check requirements, and then let's look at the requirements you need to meet before you list these ads. Okay. Over here, it's saying that you need to be verified by the Binance team if you want to be a P2P merchant, right? Now, non-merchants should meet all of the following requirements. Registration time is more than or equal to 30 days. Complete identity verification. Number of completed P2P orders should be more than 20. And then 30-day P2P order completion rate should be more than or equal to 80%. Number of unique trading counterparties should be more than 10. So I've not been buying crypto on this platform for a while. I've not been using it. So of course, I don't meet these requirements. So if you are trying to get on here, maybe you can just come on here and open some few orders on the P2P session here, right? And then when you open some orders on here, you buy from people, you sell to people for some time, you'll be able to gain that reputation, and then you'll be able to qualify to create this account. Alternatively, if you want to get this faster, then you can apply to become a merchant, which the Binance P2P team will have to verify you before you can go ahead to, sell on the platform. That is ideally the best way to go, because then you get a check mark, and with a check mark, it will be easier for people to trust and work with you. But again, you need to gain, reputation from trading for some time, so that there will be some number of trades on your account. When people want to work with you, they will see that, okay, this person has opened this number of trades So because of this completion rate, I'll trust that this person will actually deliver. And because of the rate at which people deliver, there is this section of Binance where you see, oh, this person normally closes at 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. So people can trust you based on that to work with you. So it's always good that you open a few more trades before you go ahead to create a merchant account. Now, for you to easily apply to become a verified merchant, you can just tap on here, apply to be a P2P merchant today. You just tap on that. Then over here, you tap on check requirements. Wait for it to load so we see the requirements. Right now, it's going to analyze your account and then tell you your progress. Okay, now over here it says that the requirement here, I've only completed the first one, which is complete SMS and email authentication. All right, now the second one is complete advanced identity verification. This one you have to do it. I haven't done it. I have to do it if I want to become a verified P2P merchant. Now, the third one is you need a minimum of 1,000 USDT, which has to be deposited in your funding wallet. It's not money you need to spend on the platform. You just have to have it in your funding wallet. So if you deposit 1,000 USDT in your funding wallet and then you complete the advanced identity verification step, you can now go ahead to apply to become a merchant, right? That's basically the whole thing about becoming a merchant. Okay, so if all of that checks out, okay, you come down here, then this apply button is going to be in yellow. You just tap on there and then you'll be able to apply. Right, so this is really good for someone who's looking to get a check mark, get a verification and all that. But if you are looking to just list your orders on Binance to be able to have your orders here, so you'll be able to, start making money. So of course this is very easy to do, but of course you need to go through the process. So of course this is very easy to do, but you still need to get through the verification step, get a check mark and stuff to be able to list your orders and get authenticated on there so people can trust you and work with you. Although it's not that easy to get all of these verifications done, I still believe that it's doable, and if you take your time you'll be able to go through them. So yeah, from this you can clearly see how people are making money from P2P or on Binance P2P Trading, how a lot of people are already making money, right? But then to be able to list your orders on here, you need to be active on P2P Trading before you can start listing. And after you get this account to start listing, you go through the next step, that is the verification stage, to get the check mark that you can see these people have these check marks on here, so you know that these people are trusted. Now the moment you get this check mark and your account is active, you're going to be able to process more orders, and all of these orders are going to help you make more money. Of course, if you come on here for the first time, you need to get a verified account. You need to get some crypto in your account to even trade for some time, get some trades on here. So when you switch your account to advertisement mode, you'll be able to now begin listing on the platform. And after you list, you can now proceed from there to apply for verification so you get a check mark. So this is the basics of P2P trading on Binance. This is how you can get in and make money for yourself. Of course, if you don't have an account, you should check the description of this video. I've got a link in there that you can use to create a Binance account for yourself. There's more that I'm going to share regarding this particular journey. I'm personally going to try my best to get my account verified and show you the progress I've made with that. So if you want to also go through that process with me, you should of course subscribe to the channel, become a part of this family so you see all of that happen live.